In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for videos 2026 full guide. First, make sure your file actually meets the upload rules. Video rendering is resource intensive, so the system enforces strict limits. Each individual upload must be 512 megabytes or smaller, no matter which plan you're on. If your clip is a long 4K recording or a lengthy screen capture, compress it or downscale to 1080p in your editor before you start. Also, check the container format. Stick to standard MP4, MOV, or AVI files. Specialty screen recording codecs can trip up processing and cause avoidable errors. When you're ready to add a video to your chat, you have two straightforward options on desktop. The first is the plus icon next to the message box. Click it, choose Add Photos and Files, browse to your clip, and press Open. The second is quicker if the file is handy on your desktop. Drag it from your File Explorer or Finder directly onto the chat window and let go. You'll see the interface highlight to confirm the upload is being prepared. After the file appears, guide ChatGPT with very clear instructions so it knows what to analyze. If you want a transcript style breakdown, try language like analyze the attached MP4 video file, act as an expert copywriter and documentarian, generate a detailed time-stamped chapter summary of the spoken audio track, structure the final output inside a scannable 3-column markdown table displaying timestamp, chapter title, and core action items. If you're focused on what's happening on screen, go visual and specific. Review the visual data shown in this clip. Describe the exact step-by-step physical adjustments or on-screen workflows taking place between the 0.1 Hunqua and 0.3 Hunqua minute marks, ignoring the background music track entirely. Clarity reduces guesswork and prevents hallucinations. While the file uploads, keep the browser tab open and in focus. Switching apps, refreshing, or navigating away can break the connection and force you to restart. If you're a paid subscriber, remember there's a rolling cap of up to 80 attachments every 3 hours under normal load. If uploads pause unexpectedly, you may have hit that limit. Also, double check the model selector at the top to confirm you're on your main tier. If your video lives on your phone or exceeds the 512 megabyte ceiling, use the mobile app with advanced voice for real-time streaming. Open the app, tap the waveform icon to enter voice mode, then tap the camera icon. Point your lens at the scene or screen you want to discuss and ask your questions aloud. The model will analyze the live feed and respond immediately without a large upload. And that's it. Combine simple uploads with precise prompts, and ChatGPT becomes a powerful video assistant in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.